Welcome to the introduction module of our comprehensive course on integrating the mind-body connection. We'll begin by acknowledging the existence and significance of the mind-body connection. It's not just a theoretical concept, it's a fundamental aspect of human existence that influences every facet of our lives. The human experience is a complex interplay of various factors encompassing nutrition, biochemistry, exercise, coping skills, our genetic makeup and psychology, and environmental stressors. All of these elements intricately influence both mental imbalances and physical health symptoms. This interconnected web of factors can either support or hinder our mental and emotional equilibrium. Now, it's important to understand the impact and power of stress. Stress and stress-related conditions loom as significant threats to our health. The mind's response to stress can trigger physical reactions, and conversely, physical conditions can generate psychological stress. This bidirectional relationship highlights the importance of addressing and managing stress to achieve and maintain well-being. So, how do we manage stress? That's what we'll be covering in these modules, including holistic remedies and protocols to address our overall health and well-being using a variety of holistic approaches, adaptive coping tools, and psychotherapies. The definition of the word psyche means mind or soul. So it's important to break this down and understand the power of the mind. Subconscious beliefs, ancestral inherited programming, and unresolved suppressed emotions are at the heart of most illnesses and psychosomatic disorders. These encompass both psychological and physical ailments, constituting a mind-body and metaphysical connection. These core issues find their origins in individual traumas, inherited subconscious beliefs, emotional conditions and psychological conditioning, and mental health imbalances. So understanding this connection is the first step toward harnessing its potential. Now, we're going to start by understanding the energy centers of the body. To grasp the depth of mind-body connection, we'll introduce you to the chakra system. These energy centers are pivotal to regulating the flow of vital life energy through our bodies. We will delve into each of the 7 chakras, exploring their unique attributes, the associated emotions, and physical manifestations. We will explore how imbalances in these chakras can present as emotional and physical issues. Before we dive into the specific zones and systems, let's establish a foundation for emotional wellness. Beyond the chakras, we'll delve into the 12 emotional zones. These zones provide a comprehensive map of our inner emotional landscape. Each emotional zone in our being has its own characteristics and challenges. Understanding this comprehensive map of our emotional landscape will help us tailor holistic methods to address specific emotional issues more effectively. Now, understand the consequence of repressed emotions. It's crucial to recognize that repressed emotions can have detrimental effects on both our physical and mental health and well-being. So we'll navigate the hidden dangers of emotional suppression and the toll it can take on our overall well-being. It's a journey toward better health and self-awareness that begins with acknowledging, processing, and healing our emotions rather than suppressing them. So ultimately, we want emotional empowerment. Understanding the connection between emotions and their physical manifestation in the body empowers us each to take proactive steps in managing our holistic well-being. This knowledge will serve as a guide to better target holistic approaches for ourselves and our clients. At the heart of this program, we're going to provide holistic protocols for nourishing our emotional zones and chakra centers. We will provide a range of natural remedies and practices tailored to each emotional zone and chakra system. These techniques encompass diet, nutrition, supplements, including herbs, homeopathic remedies, vitamins, minerals, flower essences, and essential oils, holistic body-mind practices such as using healing crystals, aromatherapy, energy healing, and nature therapy, as well as a variety of different psychotherapies. So these modules set the stage for a transformative exploration of the mind-body connection and its profound implications for holistic well-being. We have provided you with a description of each of the holistic approaches so that you can learn more about each of them, such as the 7 chakra color-coded nutrition, which we'll be covering, and how these colors energize certain foods. We'll be covering nutrition and brain chemistry, energy production, antioxidants and brain health, balancing nutritional deficiencies, herbs and supplements, understanding more about homeopathic remedies and flower remedies, how to use aromatherapy and essential oils, crystals and gemstone therapy, solar energy absorption, thought, impulses, and energy flow, visualization, meditation, and controlled breathing, sound vibrations and frequencies, yoga and chakra alignment, low impact exercise and physical activity, art or color psychology, psychotherapies, and that also include chakra meditation psychotherapies. So these are just some of the different holistic approaches we will be including and the protocols in each of these emotional zones and chakra centers. First, we will start with the description of the 7 chakra color-coded nutrition. Plant life undergoes a process of photosynthesis, capturing solar energy and converting it into chemical energy stored in the form of carbohydrates. The remaining color energy in plants is a result of the wavelengths they absorb and reflect. These distinct colors signify the plant's unique energy signature. When we consume these plants, we ingest not only their nutrients, but also the energy associated with their specific colors. These principles align with the chakra system's belief that each chakra corresponds to a particular color. Consuming a diverse range of fruits and vegetables, each representing one of the 7 chakra colors, supports a balanced chakra system and overall well-being. So, chakra energizing foods. Holistic nutrition suggests that foods carry unique energies and vibrations that can impact our chakras and emotional zones. For example, the root chakra, associated with the color red, can be nourished with red foods and root vegetables, like tomatoes, red peppers, and strawberries, or root vegetables like carrots and beets are thought to ground and stabilize the root chakra. Leafy greens are associated with the heart chakra and are believed to promote emotional balance and compassion. So consuming these foods can help align the chakra and promote emotional stability associated with that energy center. Next, we also include nutrition and brain chemistry. So the food we consume plays a crucial role in brain chemistry and neurotransmitter production. For instance, amino acids from proteins, vitamins, and minerals are essential precursors for neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. These neurotransmitters influence our mood, emotions, and overall mental well-being. For instance, serotonin is often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, and its levels can be influenced by the intake of tryptophan-rich foods such as nuts and seeds, which is an essential amino acid. Energy production. So carbohydrates are a primary source of energy for the brain and body. Complex carbohydrates, such as unadulterated whole grains, provide a steady supply of glucose, the brain's preferred energy source. Stable blood sugar levels are essential for maintaining emotional stability and preventing mood swings. Therefore, it's important to incorporate complex carbohydrates for these benefits. Antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds support overall brain health and cognitive function, which are integral to emotional well-being. ALA, or alpha-linoleic acid, is an essential omega-3 fatty acid renowned for its brain-boosting properties. This nutrient serves as a precursor to other crucial omega-3s like EPA and DHA, promoting cognitive health. Additionally, ALA supports the production of ketones, alternative energy sources for the brain. Embracing ALA-rich foods can contribute to optimal brain function and overall well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids, primarily found in fatty fish like salmon, avocados, and plant sources such as nuts and seeds, have anti-inflammatory properties that benefit brain health. They are known to support the production of neurotransmitters and may help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, are two crucial fatty acids that are essential to keeping your full body functioning. Holistic approaches also emphasize identifying and addressing nutritional deficiencies that may contribute to emotional imbalances. For instance, a deficiency in certain B vitamins, such as B6 and B12, can lead to mood disturbances. Holistic practitioners may recommend supplements or dietary changes to correct some of these deficiencies. Herbs and supplements. Herbal remedies and supplements are frequently used in holistic practices to support emotional well-being. Adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and rhodiola are believed to help the body adapt to stress and promote emotional resilience. Additionally, supplements like vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin, are associated with mood regulation and can be used to address deficiencies that affect emotional health and well-being. There's also homeopathic remedies. Homeopathic remedies are a form of alternative medicine that uses highly diluted substances to trigger the body's natural healing processes. Homeopathy takes into account not only the physical symptoms, but also emotional and mental aspects, providing a holistic approach to healing emotional imbalances associated with the specific emotional zone and chakra center. Homeopathy is highly individualized. Additionally, homeopathic remedies are typically prescribed in highly diluted forms and are considered safe with minimal risk of side effects when used as directed. And we have flower remedies also included in some of these holistic protocols. Flower remedies are also known as flower essences. They offer a gentle and natural approach to vibrational medicine for balancing chakras and emotional zones. Developed by Dr. Edward Bach, these remedies use the energetic essence of specific flowers to harmonize and restore emotional well-being. They are effective in addressing emotional imbalances and can be tailored to balance the individual chakras by addressing emotional disturbances. Each flower essence corresponds to specific emotional states, allowing individuals to gently shift towards emotional balance and harmony. These remedies are safe and suitable for all ages with no side effects or interactions with medications, making them a versatile tool in holistic emotional well-being practices. Aromatherapy and essential oils. So color bathing involves immersing the body in water infused with specific colors. Water is a conductor of energy, and the absorption of color energy through the skin can impact an individual's energy state. Additionally, aromatherapy utilizes essential oils, which contain the aromatic compounds of plants. These compounds are believed to have psychoactive effects and can influence mood and emotions. Aromatherapy oils are often associated with specific chakra colors, and their use in conjunction with color bathing can enhance the therapeutic experience and elements aligning with chakra energy principles. Crystal and gemstone therapy. Crystals and gemstones possess unique crystalline structures that can interact with energy fields. In some cases, crystals are employed in technologies such as watches and computer chips due to their ability to store and transmit information. In the context of the chakra system, specific gemstones are associated with each chakra believed to amplify and attune the respective chakra's energy. This resonance occurs through the crystal's vibrational frequency, which is thought to harmonize with the chakra's energy signature. So wearing or placing gemstones near the body may facilitate this energetic interaction. The absorption of solar energy. Sunlight, a source of electromagnetic radiation, emits a spectrum of light energy. This solar radiation when absorbed by our skin, triggers a series of biochemical reactions, including the synthesis of vitamin D. Moreover, exposure to sunlight has been linked to the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to the feelings of well-being. The impact of serotonin production is thought to be linked to the regulation of the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. Consequently, the diverse wavelengths of solar energy, which include the entire visible light spectrum, align with the 7 primary colors of the chakra system. Absorbing this natural sunlight directly influences our body's energy centers, including our chakras. In cases where daily sun exposure is limited, the use of full spectrum light bulbs, which replicate the sun spectrum, can serve as a substitute to maintain the body's energy balance. Thought impulses and energy flow. Thoughts are energy patterns generated by the brain. Positive thoughts have been associated with increased activity in regions of the brain linked to reward and pleasure. In contrast, negative thoughts may activate stress responses, impacting our body's energy flow. Each thought, whether conscious or subconscious, is linked to a specific neural pathway and neurotransmitter, which in turn are connected to our chakra centers. For instance, passionate thoughts are believed to stimulate neural networks associated with the color red, akin to the energy of the root chakra. Conversely, recurrent negative emotions like anger are thought to influence these energy patterns negatively, potentially leading to a decline in the associated chakra's energy. Our next one was acupuncture. So acupuncture is traditionally a Chinese healing practice that involves the strategic insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body, known as the meridian points. Rooted in the concept of energy flow or qi, acupuncture aims to harmonize the body's vital energy, promoting balance and wellness. This time-honored technique is renowned for its effectiveness in alleviating various physical and mental ailments, fostering holistic health by enhancing the body's natural capabilities and healing capacities. Okay, visualization, meditation, and controlled breathing. These practices can modulate brain activity and influence the autonomic nervous system. These techniques have been shown to enhance relaxation, reduce stress responses, and promote emotional well-being. When used in conjunction with color visualization, these practices align with the chakras system's concept of directing energy to specific centers through intention and focus. Sound vibrations and frequencies. So toning and sound therapy involve vocalizing sounds or exposing oneself to specific frequencies which may resonate with organs and energy centers in the body. These practices draw from the idea that sound can affect the vibrational state of various bodily systems, potentially promoting balance and harmony. Some studies suggest that sound therapy can positively impact mood, reduce stress, and induce relaxation, as we know that sound and music therapy does have a profound effect on our feelings and emotions. The chakra system connects musical notes to specific colors and chakra centers, reinforcing the notion of sound's influence on energy flow. Yoga and chakra alignment. Yoga is a holistic practice that combines physical postures, breath work, and meditation. So it's best known as a mind-body practice or a holistic practice. It is often used to align and balance the chakras. Each yoga pose and breathing technique is associated with a specific chakra, and practitioners believe that regular practice can promote emotional well-being as well as physical well-being and chakra harmony. Art therapy and color psychology. So art and color psychology explore how colors can evoke emotions and psychological responses. Colors are perceived through the visual cortex in the brain and can trigger physiological and emotional reactions. Exposure to different colors can influence mood, cognition, and energy levels. Aligning color choices with specific goals or intentions, such as using calming colors in the bedroom or stimulating colors in the workplace, is consistent with color psychology principles and can contribute to emotional and energetic balance. Psychotherapies. Psychotherapies offer a valuable approach to balance our emotional zones and chakra centers by addressing the interconnectedness of our mental and emotional well-being. Through psychotherapy, individuals can explore and understand the root causes of emotional imbalances, often stemming from unresolved issues, past traumas, or negative thought patterns and transgenerational inheritance. This process can lead to a more profound understanding of how emotions impact energy flow within these centers. Chakra meditation and psychotherapy. So the combination of meditation and psychotherapy aligns with holistic principles of addressing emotional and energetic well-being. These approaches encompass not only talk therapy, but also techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and energy healing practices. By integrating psychotherapy with holistic practices that emphasize the mind-body connection and energy flow, individuals can work towards nourishing their emotional zones and achieving balance in their chakra centers. Meditation practices focused on the chakras can be incorporated into psychotherapy sessions. These meditations aim to bring awareness to each chakra, identifying these emotional imbalances associated with the chakras, and promote healing. It's important to consult with trained professionals and holistic psychotherapists who can provide personalized guidance and treatments tailored to individual needs. And lastly, Reiki and energy healing. Reiki is a Japanese technique that channels universal energy or chi through the practitioner's hands to promote healing and balance. This energy healing or energy healing transfer, the method focuses on the body's life force, aiming to alleviate stress, enhance relaxation, and encourage overall well-being. It may also be used to improve unpleasant symptoms and conditions. By harmonizing the energy centers or chakras within the body, Reiki fosters a sense of inner peace and supports the body's natural healing abilities. It's a gentle yet powerful practice for holistic wellness, and a practitioner may incorporate crystals to augment the healing experience. During your session, crystals may be strategically placed and positioned on or around your body, or you might be invited to hold a crystal, enriching the energy flow and deepening the holistic healing process. These gems are believed to contribute an additional layer of therapeutic benefit, aiding in the release of emotional, mental, or spiritual blocks. These are some of the natural remedies and holistic approaches that we will be implementing into our mind-body program to help harmonize and balance the emotion zones and chakras. The 12 emotional zones are often associated with holistic and alternative healing practices. It is part of a broader framework that incorporates elements from various traditions, including holistic health, energy healing, the chakra systems, and alternative therapies. Some of this work has been adapted by Dr. Von Cook, developer of the Zytoscan, and also former NASA researcher Calvin Young, who is the developer of the Vocal 2 and 360 epigenetic technological program, which is an extremely fascinating voice mapping technology that maps subconscious stress related to our genetics and our epigenetics. So a general understanding of the 12 emotional zones might include a focus on the emotional and energetic aspects of different parts of the body, typically aligned with the body's chakra system. These zones are often associated with specific emotions or qualities. So to identify core emotional zones with its corresponding chakra center and subconscious beliefs that may be associated with transgenerational epigenetic programming, just be sure to refer to the descriptions within each zone and identify which one relates most to you. It's important to note that individuals may resonate and often will resonate with more than one emotional zone. So for further guidance, each zone also includes an explanation of potential physical manifestations linked to psychosomatic symptoms. So just be sure to reflect on any physical conditions that will help you determine which zone relates most to you, including limitations, restrictions, or injuries, and consider whether they correlate with cycles of epigenetic inheritance. So patterns may emerge where parents, grandparents, or other ancestors carried physical burdens in similar body areas, signifying transgenerational epigenetic inheritance and programming. They may have also carried some kind of psychological or emotional burden that has been passed on to you. So these physical symptoms serve as indicators of emotional vulnerabilities, encompassing illnesses and injuries specific to those areas. This concludes our introduction to mind-body integration. In our next module, we will begin exploring the different emotion zones and the chakras that correlate to each zone. So be sure to listen for the zones that you most identify with and the protocols that can be beneficial. We will look forward to seeing you in that module.